Ma'am, which page number?
Page number 58. Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the textbook solutions of chapter number 4, parts and wholes. Everyone should open the page number 58. I'm going to present you something according to the presentation. We are going to discuss our solutions. Is my presenting screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Same page you have in your textbook, children? Ramu's vegetable field. Okay.
Yes.
So let's Devanshi will read. Devanshi, start reading what's written in your textbook.
Okay, ma'am. Ramu's vegetable field. Ramu's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. What vegetables does he grow?
Okay. So in how many parts Raju's field is divided?
6.
9 equal parts. Now Vedansh will tell me which all the vegetables he grow in his field. Look into the picture.
Tomatoes,
Yes.
brinjals,
Yes.
potatoes,
Yes.
radish.
Reddish is not there.
Ma'am, it's there white and. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is reddish.
Okay. Reddish. Then
And ma'am,
what else?
green.
Green chilies.
There's green chili.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Green chili.
Yes. Now, Advika, your mic is working. Can you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Advika, tell me. Read the first question. Advika, read the first question.
Yes, ma'am.
Which
Which
vegetable?
vegetable grows in the biggest part of the field? What part?
So, what does this mean?
It means which is the most popular vegetable in his field.
Yes. Can you tell me the name?
Brinjal. Because it's in two parts.
Can you see the picture again?
Oh, sorry, tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Yes. So, and how many total vegetable parts? How many field parts are there? How many total field parts are there?
Ma'am, including those 3 tomatoes and 2 brinjals,
Yes. Including everything
9.
which you have read in the beginning. How many equal parts of the field he has done?
Ma'am, we are on which
3
page
upon
number?
9.
58.
How many equal parts does he have tomatoes?
No, I am asking how many total parts of his field.
3 upon 9.
I'm asking only the total parts. Your fraction is
9.
right. Yes, 9. Why I am asking for the 9? Because we want the denominator also. Yes. Now tell me, what is the fraction of tomato? Aheli, now you know which page we are on? Aheli, Arush, switch on
3
your
upon
microphone.
9.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
tomato fraction 3 upon 9.
Yes. So all of you write in your textbook tomatoes 3 upon 9.
Ma'am, near the question.
Yes, near the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Now my next question is from Arush. Arush, on what part of the field does he grow potatoes?
2 upon 9.
Very good. So all of you write near the question 2 upon 9. My next question is from letter D. Is the child available with letter D?
Yes, ma'am. Devanshi.
Yes, Devanshi. Devanshi, tell me what part of the field is used to grow spinach? Which part is used for brinjals? So we are going to write two fractions here. One for spinach. As you were telling, no, they are reddish. They were not reddish. They are which
Spinach.
vegetable? Spinach.
Spinach.
So now tell me,
Ma'am?
what is the part of spinach?
9/1 is
No, 9/1.
1/9 is of spinach and 2/9 is of brinjal.
Very good, children. So all of you write the answer in your textbook. Next, next with letter S. Is the child available with letter S? Switch on your microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Which child is this?
Swara.
Yes, Swara.
Swara.
Swara, can you read the question number 4?
Now you write some questions by looking these pictures.
Okay, can you make some questions on it? More questions, one or two. One also you can tell me.
Yeah, ma'am.
Can you make
How
one more
many-
question? Yes.
How
Yes, ma'am.
many?
I'm asking you,
Chilies
Swara,
are-
only. Swara, you are giving me the answer.
Yeah, ma'am. 1 minute. Just a minute.
See, this we have done 3/9 of tomatoes. He grows 2/9 part of the potatoes, 1/9 spinach, and 2/9 brinjal. Now tell me, Swara, can you make few questions on it?
yeah.
Tell me.
Yeah. How much part does he take to grow chili?
Chili. Okay, so can you write the fraction?
1/9.
Very good. So all of you can you write in your textbook this question? See, what part of the field is used for growing chilies? So it is 1/9. Which two vegetables are grown on equal part of the field? Which two vegetables? Can you name?
Ma'am, brinjal and potato.
Ma'am,
Very good. Brinjal and potato.
Ma'am.
So please write these two extra questions
ma'am,
in your textbook.
ma'am, I have also one question.
Yeah, tell me.
I have a question that means of this that how many total vegetables are grown in the field?
Yes, yes.
Means fraction.
Yeah, then it will be. Yes, tell me. Can you write? Everyone done with these questions?
Ma'am, which
No,
question
ma'am.
who told I have written
Ma'am, 1 minute.
what part is
It's
used
there on
for
the screen.
and ma'am okay.
It's there on the screen and you can make.
Renu, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, my dear.
Renu, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm saying that we have to write in the next page where
No,
the
there
space
is a
is
space
given.
down, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You can write there.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
so what is that white box in the next page?
I will tell you. We will come when we will come on the next page. Those who have done, they please come on the page number 59. And this part, which Nishika was asking why this white part is given, this is for the solution because this question is very big. You need to do some calculations, and for that calculation, you use this space. Understood now, Nishika? So, can I proceed now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is saying no?
Ma'am, last question.
Please fast. Okay, till that the other child with letter P. The child with letter P, switch on the microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Which child is this?
Preet.
Yes, Preet. Preet, can you read the question which is on 59 page number?
Yes, ma'am. Ramu wanted to give these vegetables to his friend. He gave
Abu Bakr.
Abu Bakr 1/5 of these tomatoes and 1/3 of the potatoes.
Yes.
Shrija got 2/5 of the tomatoes and 3/6 of the potatoes. Nancy got rest of the vegetables. Circle Abu Bakr's share in blue. Circle Shrija's share in yellow.
Yes. So they are saying that Ramu wanted to give these vegetables to his friend. So, but he was having some potatoes and he was having some, like I'll show you, like he was having some tomatoes and potatoes. So he wants to give some part to his Abu Bakr friend, some part to Shriji. So how he will calculate? Here they are saying only the 1/3, 2/5, 3/6, but of what? So first we need to have a total. Now, first of all, the child with letter A will switch on the microphone and tell me there are how many tomatoes.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Only one child. I know there are many child with letter A, but only one child will switch on the microphone.
20.
Yes, 20 tomatoes. So write near tomato total TOTAL. Total 20 tomatoes. So if you can see my board, I will write here on the board. Total 20 tomatoes. 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 Now, how many total potatoes with, is there any child with letter C? G, H, K, V, Y, J. Is there any child with letter G?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Jaival.
Yes.
Account number of potatoes.
Potatoes 18.
How many?
18.
18. After getting the total number of potatoes and tomatoes, now it's easy for you. This calculation, please do in the box which is given there, up white box. So after, yes, my dear.
Ma'am, there was a little bit connectivity issue, so I can't join. So I join now. So can you please?
Dear, later. You stay at the end. Please let me continue with the other children, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
You stay at the end and ask me. So total 20 potatoes. Total. Please switch off your microphone.
Sorry.
Total 18 potatoes. Now, after getting the total, because in fraction it's compulsory that we should have a total parts. After getting the total, now it's easy for us to divide them in the Abu Bakr's share, in the Sirja share. Can you all see my board also clearly? One child.
Yes, ma'am. Very clear.
Board also visible, no? Clearly? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is also not breaking and your board is also clear.
Okay. Now he gave Abu Bakr 1/5 of these tomatoes. So we know that tomatoes were, should I write from top or should I write from the middle?
Ma'am, from top.
It's okay, no? It's visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomatoes were total 20. And Abu Bakr's, for Abu Bakr, I write AB instead of writing the full spelling. Abu Bakr's share is 1/5. 1/5 of 20. So in place of 20, I write multiplication sign. And this we already have done, children. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So how many tomatoes will Abu Bakr will get? Yes, children. Am I correct? Okay.
Yes,
now,
And this we have to write in.
yes, you have to write with the pencil in the white box which is given up where the children are there, na? There you do the solution. Now, tomatoes, 1/3 of the, tomatoes,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, Abu Bakar was in my previous class.
Okay. So now,
Ma'am,
yes, tell me, my dear.
ma'am, you have written AB, so we also write AB in the
Yeah,
box.
it's okay. For this is AB for Abu Bakar. I'm not writing his full name. If you want to write the full name, you can write. If you want to write his short name, you can write short name. So, and after tomatoes, 1/3 of potatoes also he got. So again, the Abu Bakar share in potatoes was 1/3 of. Here it will be 18 because the potatoes were 18. So 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. So how many potatoes he will get? 6. 4 tomatoes, 6 potatoes. There were 20. Out of 20, 4 tomatoes went to the Abu Bakr. Now, how many left after subtracting the 4? Please tell me the
16.
answer. 16. Yes. So, 16 tomatoes left. And we were having potatoes 18. After 18, subtract 6. How many potatoes left?
12.
12. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
your board become blur.
Now,
No, ma'am, it is not blur.
Ma'am, now it's right.
It's blur.
okay. So, can you all do till here? So we have calculated the Abu Bakr share in the potatoes was 6 and in the tomatoes were 4. See children, here these are the real life application problems like you have done in the grade 4 word problems, right? So this is the part of a word problem only. So after that, Sija got 2/5 of the tomatoes and 3/6 of the potatoes. Can any child will calculate the Sija share and tell me? What is the 2/5 of? Again, you will calculate from 20 only. Please do not subtract and calculate. Calculate from 20 only. From total 20.
Ma'am, Shisha got eight tomatoes.
2/5 of 20 is 8
Eight
tomatoes.
tomatoes.
Very good. Very good. And 3/6 of potatoes. What is the 3/6 of potatoes?
Nine.
Board is blur.
Ma'am, 9 potatoes.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So-
your board is blurred.
Children, it's blurred.
No, ma'am.
Swara, please check your connectivity.
Ma'am, it was not me.
Sorry, maybe some other child.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, you can listen me.
Yes, I can listen you.
I was trying. You are not answering.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I will give both answers.
But right now, maybe there was connectivity problem. I can hear you now. Tell me now. No problem. What is Sija's share?
One is 8 and second is 9.
Yes, Sarija's share is 3/5 of 20.
Ma'am, I can
And-
do in the. Ma'am,
Yes. Sorry,
ma'am,
2/5
I
of.
can do upper because I don't have space.
Yes, I told you, no, in the white box.
No,
And-
ma'am, I have done in white box because see, I have make a part this side of potato and this side of tomato. So, in the tomato, the upper is the space, so I can write there.
Yes. And here we calculate 4 into 2 is 8. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18 is equals to 3 3s are 9. Understood, children? Now let's see the full calculation. Total tomatoes were 20, potatoes were 18. Then after that they calculated tomatoes were 4 for Abu Bakr. They have written A. and 1/3 of 18 is 6. Now Caesar share is 2/5 of 20. You can see on your screen is 8, and for potatoes is 9. Can you see all the calculation here on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So can I proceed now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's see. Now they're
Excuse me,
asking about
ma'am.
Nancy. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I was saying that we have to do this in our textbooks only.
Yes, in textbook. So now Nancy's share is written here. I want to show you this. N for Nancy. Total are 8. Nancy got the rest of these vegetables. Now how we will find the rest of vegetables? So as we know from 20 tomatoes, how many to Abu Bakr? How many to Abu Bakr you have given?
Four. Four.
And 4 and 8. So when you subtract 4, when you add 4 plus 8 is how many? 12 tomatoes. Yes,
12.
from 20, when you subtract 12, how many you will get?
8.
8. So that balance, that rest of the tomato. Please switch off your microphone. I'm getting. Yes. So out of total 20, after distributing to Abu Bakr and Sirja, Nancy will get 8 tomatoes. Yes. And about the potatoes, we gave Abu Bakr 6. And how many we have given to? Sirja 9. Please switch off your microphone, children.
You do not hurt your eye. You do not.
Please. So the potatoes here are 9. This is Sirja share, and Abu Bakr got 6. 9 plus 6 is how many?
15.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Sirja
Now,
got 8 tomatoes.
15.
yes, Sirja got 8 tomatoes. And how many potatoes she will get?
In our elbows when we don't.
Please switch off your microphone.
3.
Yes.
That's right. But when we have
Children, please switch off your microphone. Now,
Hello all, welcome to my channel. Hello all, welcome to my channel Learn with Pragati. Today we will be covering the
now open next page. Page number 60. This is a game. This you will play with your family members also. This game is to play it in group of 4 people. Each player has to make a circle. As shown in your books also, there is a circle. After drawing a circle, make some chits. And on chits, write the fractions. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 12, 2 upon 12, 3 upon 12, 4 upon 12. After that, 5 upon 12 till 11 upon 12. Write all the numbers on the chits. This way, after making the chits, shuffle the chits and take one chit. So after taking the chit, if the player will get 2 12ths, because here why 12 is there in the denominator, because there are the 20 parts, and if you can see 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4. So how you will color this? Can you hear me, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's see how to play this game. This is very interesting game. You children will enjoy it. Play with your family members. See, there is a circle which is given in your book, and they have divided that circle into 12 equal parts. Can you count how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I will also divide this into 12 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will divide here. I will divide here. Now I will put again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is one more extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 12 equal parts.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
suppose when you shuffle the chips and you got 1/2. So what? How much part you will color? One means this is what?
We will color 6 parts.
Very good. Who gave me answer?
Six, ma'am.
Advika.
Very good. How you will color 6? Because there are the total 12. Out of the total 12, you will color the half parts. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. 6 parts you will color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this way, the person who finished coloring the circle first will be the winner. Understood? If in next round you got 1/4 of 12, so 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, and 3 into 1 is 3 parts. So next round you will color 3 parts.
Ma'am means all the people who are playing in another circles means.
Yes, each player should have one circle on its paper. Okay. And as the chips they are getting, they will color accordingly. Understood, children? Try to play it. Tell me tomorrow that you have enjoyed or not. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, wait just a minute.
1/3, 1/3.
Please switch off your microphone. See, after 4/12 till 11/12, you have to make all the chits. 5/12, 6/12, 7/12, 8/12, 9/12, and 10/12, and 11/12. Now go to the next page. Down only the card puzzle. Here they are showing you how they have color. Please open your the card puzzle. First question is divide the white area in square A into 2 equal parts. So square A So this is the way we divide into 2 because the white part they are telling to color. Okay, I'll show you again. Can you see everyone? Children? Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Am I visible and audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You are clearly audible.
Okay, now let's see how to divide the each part 2 equal parts. So how we will divide? Only the white part. So let's see. Okay. You can also try it another way. It's your choice, but it should be equal. Go to the next. Divide the white area in square B into 3 equal parts. Let's see how to divide the B into 3 equal parts. See, one line and then. Can you see how they are divided? Now go to the third one. Divide the white area in square C into 4 equal parts. Is it a bit difficult? Don't worry, take your time.
Ma'am.
So can you do it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, start doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start
Ma'am,
doing how to
done.
divide.
Ma'am, done.
4 equal parts done. Can
Yes.
you check now?
Ma'am, I did not
Now
understand.
here it's done.
Add one game.
Ma'am, I also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Then make a slanting line
First-
from the.
See.
ma'am, first draw a straight line and then the sleeping
No.
line of that side.
Yes,
The 4
that way
equal
also you
parts
can
will
do. See. They are telling into 4 equal parts. White area into 4 equal parts. They are not telling including the black part, right? Including the shaded part. That is why they have divided in this way. 3/4 squares are these. So when you draw this,
Ma'am, done.
yes, very good. Now next question is, divide the white area in square D into 7 equal parts. It will be challenging now because it's big, but you can take some time and start doing. Start fast, and then we will see on the screen. Okay. See,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
done.
all
simply,
simple strips.
ma'am, I also done this only.
Please draw and measure with the scale. Then it will be equal. You cannot draw randomly. One is thin, one is thick. Okay? The parts should
Ma'am, I
be
also do
equal.
this only.
Okay, very good. Now come to the next down. Guess and check. What part of each shape is colored? Let's see. Which figure is the first one? Please switch on your microphone and give me the answer.
Ma'am, 2/9.
Which figure is this?
Square.
No, this one, this one. Where is my cursor? First one.
Ma'am, 1/8.
Octagon. How you calculated 1/8?
Ma'am, I drawn imaginary lines because it is drawing the lines from the point. So I also traced it,
Yes.
and now it's coming 1/8.
Yes. So it is one. See, check. Right? This way you have done, Advika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the part of the blue one?
1/8.
Very good. 1/8. Now come to the next part.
1/6.
Let's see.
Ma'am, 1/6.
We will check.
Ma'am, 1/6.
Very good. It's 1/6.
2/9.
So can you go next now?
Yes, ma'am, 2/9.
Turn the page. Third one and the fourth one. Let's see how it is divided and how they are asking
2/9.
Ma'am, 2/9.
Yes. So this way.
Ma'am, 2/9.
And now if I will ask the reverse question, what is the fraction of white part? What is the fraction of white part, children?
7/9.
2/9.
7/9.
7/9.
Okay.
7/9.
This is which type of fraction?
7/9.
Proper. Which type of fraction it is? 7/9.
Proper.
7/9 is?
Right. Proper.
Yes.
Proper fraction.
Yes. So now let's see for the next pink one.
15/4.
First you have to do, yes. Very good, Jash. So you have done with this, children?
No, ma'am, wait for a second.
Come to the next B part.
Ma'am just said 15/4, but it's
No, it is 4/15. He said 4/15, I think. Just 4/15 or 15/4?
4/15.
Yes. Go to the B. See, do you remember this picture? Look at the small triangle. What part of the square it is? How will you find this out? Divide the big triangle into small shapes.
1/2.
Let's see how this is divided. See how small triangles are made in this. Can you all do it faster? So they have divided this figure into 6 equal triangles. And out of this, what is the fraction of the red one? Children, what is the fraction of red one? It's 1 upon
1/9.
1 upon 9. How? The total parts they have
1 upon
divided
16.
16th, 1 upon 16th. So next part we
1
will
upon
color
16.
we will cover in our next class tomorrow.
Ma'am, now I
So-
think the math period is over.
Yes, the max period is over, my dear. Okay. So our today's class is done. I hope you all are clear with your topic.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
And
doing it for the math.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.